Declaring an array is very similar to declaring a normal variable. However, there's a bit more detail involved. To declare an integer array, you would write int, square brackets, the name of your array, in my case age, equals new int, in square brackets, how many values you want the array to store. To make this easier for myself, I will write 3 for now. To declare a string array, you will use the string variable. So string, same thing, square brackets, name equals new string, in square brackets how many you want. So in my case 3, and never forget the semicolons. We can use for loops to use arrays effectively. For example, if we want 3 people to use the program and input their name and age into the program, this array would store 3 different names, and this array would store 3 different ages. To do this, we can use a for loop. So for int x equals 0, x is less than 3, and x plus plus. Inside here, we can write age, and then in square brackets x. We put x because the first time the loop runs, x will be 1, and then age will be 1. So age, and then 1 would store the value for that person's age, and then so on, age 2 would store that person's age, and age 3 would store that person's age. Same thing would apply to the string. So here we would write it equals to input int, and then enter age. We would do the same thing with the string array, so name x equals input, and then enter name. Just to make the program neater, we're going to add an output to clear the screen every time the loop runs. So what this loop is going to do is ask for the age and name of 3 different people. Now to use this information, we're going to need a third variable. We're going to call this one int choice. So here, we're going to ask the user enter the number for the person, and we're going to say 1 to 3 to avoid confusion. This makes the user choose a number between 1 to 3 that corresponds with the name and age of someone. So then the program would effectively output age in square brackets choice plus name in square brackets choice. So this would output name and age for someone who used the program based on the value that has their name on it in the array. Now testing out the program, it tells us to enter our age. So 16, Sufi is my name. For example, 65, and Jack, and 35, and Rob. So now it says enter the number for the person. This is 0 to 2 because our array starts at 0 and goes upwards in their values. So 0 would be 16 and Sufi, 1 would be the other one that I put in, and 2 would be the third one that I put in. So in this case, if I put 0, it would say 16 and Sufi. If I put 1, it would say the other one, and 2, it would say the other one.